everybody, it's Lyn from Lyn's Craft Designs. I'm coming by today with a quick share. This is an unboxing from LBeads. I ordered this back in November, thinking I would get this in time, that you could still order something like this mold. I'm still gonna do it though, because it's really cute. Okay. Merry Christmas. It's so cute. That little reindeer and Santa. So cute. So, I'm gonna do a resin pour. I'll probably do that. You'll probably see this on Wednesday, maybe? Next Wednesday. So I'll probably do this on Thursday. Hopefully. Now, these are little tube beads, and these would be great on stretch bracelets. You could hide the knot right inside the metal tube, and it would give a little flash to the bracelet. I'm so excited about these. Those are cute. And along that same vein, I got, these are metal spacers. Just little, there we go. There's one by itself. Little tube spacers. They're just like 1/4 of an inch. Really cute. Same thing. Have lots of other uses too, though. Okay. I was running low on smaller gauge beads. I'm not sure what these are. They are so cute. And yes, I got my handy little printout right here, but it doesn't help. All it does is give you the number. Now these are an electroplate glass bead. Looks like about a 3mm maybe. 3mm. Those are a 4. These also are a glass electroplate. They look like they're I can't tell whether they're crackle glass or not, but really pretty. That smoky quartz color. Hello, that's why I got them. Okay, and these are again about a 4mm. Yeah. These are super tiny. These are like 2mm maybe. Again, glass electroplate. Oh, so sparkly. Okay. These have an AB finish on them, but gold violet maybe? bicone glass beads. Again, these are about a 3mm. Okay. Again, these are super tiny. Again, with the AB finish, and again, it looks like the gold violet again. These are rounds. I don't know what size they are. Really cute. Okay, then there's these that are also glass, two-tone color, blue and purple, and these are Grapple Glass. No help. About a 4mm maybe. I have a hard time with the sizes just because most of my beads are rondelles. A round compared to a rondelle is not the same size. I don't know if these may be a 6mm. Love that amber color. So pretty. Sorry about that. My husband just left for work, so you gotta check. Okay, these are amber, and these are such a pretty emerald green. And again, these are just glass beads. About a 6mm, I'd guess. Those are really pretty. I love those colors. And last but not least, because I don't have a very large selection at all of brass bead caps, spacers. There's even like this tiny little turtle bead. He's so cute. The head runs from head to tail. So cute. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. And to have it in a brass color, bronze color instead of silver, that is huge. Everything from a really large hole bead to really small hole spacers. Sorry, I can't get that one to set where you can see the hole, but so much to choose from. And this is just a small amount. Again, this is a very, very large cap. Like to use on a multi-strand bracelet. It'd be really cute. Then there's these discs, spacers. Really interesting. Oh, here's another little turtle. They're so cute. And then these little square. Then there's these little winged that have a hole in the middle from top to bottom. Those could be so cute. Alright. Again, LBeads. Now these took a little longer to arrive, but that may have totally been because of the pandemic. So, go check them out. I am so excited about this. I don't know why Christmas is almost over, but so cute. I may have Merry Christmas up. I'm going to hang it from a cord and make it a sign on my door. May have Merry Christmas up all year. It'll go right along with my Christmas tree that has now been up for more years than I care to admit. But my Christmas tree is totally decorated hunting theme, so it's not really a Christmas tree, but it's still a Christmas tree. Sparkly and pretty lights. So I'll try to put up a photo at the end so you can see. Okay? Merry Christmas, everybody. I'm not gonna lie, it hasn't been the best one. But we'll save that for another day. Thank y'all so much for watching. LBeads, I'll leave the links below. Bye for now.